Well, there goes the strap. I just wanted him to make sure he was going to enjoy his holiday. Alrighty guys, we are down here on the south end, just kind of cruising through making a lap. And there's a very stuck two-wheel drive Chevy, so we're just gonna see if they need help or if they're good. It looks like they might be getting some assistance, so we shall see. And of course, because this truck's parked right there, it bottlenecks it. Yeah. Bro, what is this guy doing? What is he doing out here? How did he make it this far? Are they on the ball? Yep, of course they are. Alright, actually get you. I don't want to block their shot though. Oh, he's gonna bury that. I need to see it. Oh yeah. I can't even get around there.
Yeah.
We're gonna have to wait. Here, let me. I got you.
Because of the Jeep right there. He's giving it gas way too late.
Yeah, and that dude's so heavy, dude. He's basically sinking before he even hits. Oh, there goes the strap. Dude, he's getting stuck with no one attached to him, dude. What's up, man? What was your name? John, nice to meet you. All right, well, I can get you out of here, so that's on a good note. I can guarantee we'll get you out of here. You came all the way from up there, huh?
Yeah.
You made it a pretty long ways, didn't you?
Yeah, but I just come out, bring my family for a minute, man.
I hear you. Well, we can get you out of here, and I tell you, if you go down into International, I know you probably don't want to go back on the beach, but it's two-wheel drive down there, or they just added a bunch of new off-beach parking.
I got my dog.
So you get one of them, and oh, you got your dog with you?
Yeah.
I gotcha. Alrighty. Well, I mean, still, you could park across the street in one of the sections, and you can still walk across with the dog. You know what I mean? I don't want it to ruin your day, but
Yeah.
let me look and see what it takes, and we'll get you out. Okay?
Like that.
I feel bad. Yeah. I almost want to do it for free.
The good thing is,
All right.
it's the egg bale. That was.
So here's what I can tell you. I am a full insurance tow company, and I do normally charge. I feel bad for you. I want you to enjoy your day with the family.
What's up?
It's the beginning of the month, man. Okay? It's the beginning. You know where I came from?
What?
Ocala.
Really? Oh, you drove a little ways? Well, that's what I'm saying. I don't want it to ruin your day, so that's why I want to take care of you.
That'll work.
All right. Let me get it hooked up. You got it cranked up? Can you turn that wheel all the way to the driver's side for me? I kind of want to give him a show just by trying to crawl it and then bump it if I have to. It's really not that bad. I mean, he was pulling with a flat strap and he could barely move on his own. You know what I mean? Yeah. I'm a whole different story.
What's up?
We're going to want to pull you all the way out of here because we don't want
Okay, but I don't want to go that way. I want to go that way. Oh, you can take me that way?
I'm going to take you that way. But once I get you to that ramp, you can go wherever you want.
All right, let's go.
All right, so.
Yeah. All right. I know, right?
Go ahead, hop up in there. All right. You got any traction control on this bad girl? Little dude doing a burnout? Oh, we should be out there. Yeah, I don't see it. You're right. Weird. All right, so I'm going to want you wheel straight with me. Now, you're going to see that line. It's about 30 feet. So when you see me start going and I'm going to hit, I want you to give it a little bit of gas. Nothing crazy. I'm gonna do most of the work, but I don't want to be pulling your dead weight. You know what I mean? It's a kinetic rope, so it'll bungee a little bit. Once we get up and going, I'm taking you. So the next ramp at Boylston down there, probably about a mile. Take us a few minutes. We'll just cruise. Try and leave some tension on the line so we don't run up over it. And then when we get to that ramp, we'll take it nice and wide. You just follow my tracks, leave a little bit of tension on it, and we'll stop up on the concrete. Okay?
All right.
All right. Yeah, baby. That's exactly what we wanted. Got him nice and smooth with a little bit of a show.
Oh, yeah.
Alrighty, guys. We got the two-wheel drive Chevrolet behind us in tow, and we're just taking him down to the next ramp here, so he doesn't have to worry about getting stuck again out here. We'll see you there. Hell yeah, baby. That's great. That went all right now, didn't it?
Gotta appreciate.
I told you I'd take care of you.
Here's the thing. I drive for a living,
Oh, I got you.
and I'm like, that truck ain't that heavy,
Yeah.
because you need weight.
Yeah, you thought that big old F-250 would have had a better shot, huh?
No, it wasn't that, but it's the rubber you got on there.
Yep.
Say with the digging.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Mhm.
It's 4-wheel drive.
That's fun though, huh?
Yeah. Yeah. I'm really proud of you.
I appreciate it. Crank that wheel over. Let me get you unhooked. Hey, I ain't even gonna charge it. You just gotta promise me you're gonna enjoy your holiday, all right?
Tell me will, y'all.
You gonna enjoy it? You kids gonna enjoy it, all right? All right, find you some parking. Have a good day, all right, guys? All right. All right, guys, we did it. I decided I was feeling generous. He was discouraged at first, especially after that F-250 couldn't get him out. He saw me roll up and he was like, I don't know if that's going to be able to do it either. He was feeling like he wasn't going to get off the beach, so I just wanted him to make sure he was going to enjoy his holiday, and I think we set the mood right, and they're going to go make the best of it. So that's what matters, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Peace. Yo! Christian wants some content, so I'm going to pull it. I just want you to be involved.
No, you're fine. You're cool. Do you want me to stay out of the top of it?
That's up to you. Yeah, no, you can come up and watch. He always focuses the camera on me, so you can kind of see where he's pointing it and make your judgment.
All good. I always keep Johnny.
I'm not sure whose truck it is. Your truck?
Yeah, it is.
What's up, buddy? What's your name?
Sam.
Sam? John, nice to meet you.
What's up?
Alrighty, so it's just two-wheel drive?
Yeah, 2-wheel.
Alrighty. Y'all just trying to get out of here for now?
Yeah, we
Okay.
literally just got off the ramp and boom.
Yeah, I wish they don't have as much on-beach or off-beach parking right here, really.
Yeah.
I was going to say, the other side of the ramp, they've let a few two-wheel drives, but it's just getting nasty.
Yeah.
Like, I would want you to park out here, but it's
For sure.
not really worth
That's not
risking
worth
it,
the
you know what I
risk,
mean?
yeah.
So basically, I could just hooked up to the back. We'd use a rope, and I'd just pull you out nice and slow back up onto the concrete there, get you out of here. So I'll hook it up, and I'll give you some instructions.
All right.
I don't know where they're going with that donk. Doink? Donk? Doink? Doink, right? I don't know. Y'all gotta go back. Trucks are easy because they got hitches. I'll be alright. I appreciate it. I'm used to being a one-man show.
Big fan, man. Big fan.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
If I were watching you, get 40 and you too.
Love it. Love it. He just left to go see family. So I'm covering again this year so he can go spend some time with them.
I got you. This is what, dude? First, third, fifth? Third?
Probably about third. My dad did a few this morning and covered for me before he left. All right, so I'm just gonna have you in reverse. I'm gonna do almost all the work, so just give me a little bit of gas so you're not dead weight. And just you're decent in reverse. Just basically try and keep it straight with me. When we get to like that traffic sign, you'll see me start to turn it wide. You'll just nice and slow to the passenger side, and we'll stop you up on the ramp, okay? All right. Go ahead, back up a few feet, make sure you're off the ramp. Sweet. Oh yeah. Great driving, dude. Some people are a little squirrely in reverse. You were nice and smooth. All right, sweet. Man. Oh yeah. Appreciate you. Love it. Hey, y'all have fun out here, all right? Yes, sir.
Yep, got the
Sweet. Well, that was a good one, guys. On to the next one. Alrighty, guys. We are way down here on the south end. Hey! And we got a Mercedes that is like a sedan that's front wheel drive. So we're going to get them out of here. What's up, man? What was your name?
Dennis.
Dennis John. Nice to meet you.
Mm-hmm.
Alrighty. So it's just front wheel drive, right? Not all wheel drive or nothing? Okay. Okay. Let me take a look and see what we got. Okay. Honestly, not that bad.
How are you today? Hi. You okay? Oh,
That's nasty, though. And take this out a little bit. Oh. All right. Come here, Matt. So here's my logic with the bridle, right? Because that's basically what we use on everything. So my mindset is control arms have that bolt, and it's basically our structurally soundest thing on the front of the car, especially on these. So what I look for and think about is the most, because the way the bridle works comes to one, right? But if I pull to one side, it's going to pull on the most inner point of the furthest one, right?
Yep.
The most.
Yep.
So what that ends up resulting in for us is wanting to find the most inner spot that there's no way we can slide into anything. So we want to hug. So like on this one, if you look in there, I feel in here, you can feel all the way up against the frame there basically is that main, I'm going to get in front of it and hook up to it, but that main loop there that you can get through in that frame.
yeah, I feel the loop.
So there's that little hole, but you can also technically go around that big area too. Here. Yep.
So right there,
Because the bridle will suck to the inside and it'll hold there and be just fine. So a lot of these
go around the thick arm here instead of through the hole.
Yep. And sometimes all you'll have is a hole, and that's a little bit different, you know what I mean? But a lot of these have an opening, and then together the bridle makes the magic happen. All right, so basically what I'd have to do, dig out that front, and I can get down into the control arms. I got a special bridle, get on there with the rope. And we got the ramp right there. Okay. So I'll just put on a short little rope and we'll just pull you nice and easy and get you up on the concrete. We can get you out of here, okay? Basically, I'll have him turn the wheel. But the way I did this one and the way I try and think about it when I'm hooking up is right in here, and just keep knacking at it until it falls away enough that you can get to that control arm. It is my mindset. Sometimes, get me and my dad's sides and make the best of them both. And then the rest of it, a lot of times that bumper will have a lip. I just want to get under that lip, make sure everything's dropped down and out of it, and we're clear, you know what I mean?
All the way across.
I want it, especially on something like this. And, honestly, it's less of a big deal with us going forward. It creates a problem, like my dad will tell you, when you're going back and it, kind of parachutes it. Yep. So with us going forward, the odds are extremely less likely. But on something like a Mercedes, it's just better safe than sorry to have it mostly cleared out. Can you turn that wheel all the way to the driver's side for me as far as you can? Awesome. I'm going to steal this
There you
one
go.
from you.
Yeah, there you go.
Oh, sorry.
All right.
You want to do one on the sides, Matt? And my dad will tell you otherwise. He leaves them wheel straight. I turn the wheel. Just, I can see it more. I can access it easier. You know what I mean? Yep. And then I'll hold the actual, like, slip through part. Yep. And then just pull the other part and get me some slack. Yep. Beautiful. And sometimes it also helps a little bit if you kind of just get it under one lip. It'll slip over the rest pretty easy. Yep. I'll double check, yeah. Yep, beautiful. Yep, just like that. All right, wheel all the way the other way. And then it just starts to be copy and paste.
Copy and paste, huh?
A little bit.
Yeah. I like that.
Makes things simple
I like
sometimes.
copy and paste.
Yeah. So once he gets hooked up there, I'm just gonna have you have the wheel straight with me, and I'm gonna want you in drive, but I just want you to get barely just a tiny bit of gas. I'm gonna do almost all the work. I just don't want you to be dead weight back here. Okay, and we're gonna go. Just leave me some tension on the line. When we get to that ramp, I'll swing it a little wide. Just same thing, follow my tracks, a little bit of tension on the line, and we'll stop you up on the ramp, okay? Beautiful. Awesome. Good eye that. Great job, man.
Thank you.
Turn that wheel all the way towards me. All right, all the way the other way.
Thank you. We appreciate that.
That's awesome.
Oh.
Ooh. Oh man.
Crazy. A lot of people, like, I had your card, but I didn't think I need your help. You're like, just in case. Because I know some old cars. Yeah. Should be on the beach, really. Oh, it looks pretty out there, though. I hope you got some photos. No.
Alrighty, guys, we got the Mercedes out in one piece, and he was a cool guy, so all good. Stay tuned.
Like and subscribe to Santo, they're the best.
Subscribe to Santo and you'll see all these awesome videos.
Subscribe to Santo.